A man in our community made $1,400 while at work using this simple online system. I'm not telling you this to impress you. I'm telling you to impress upon you what's possible. Now, before you think this is one of those videos that tells you to make a big course, become a tech expert, or ask your friends and family to buy from you, it isn't. You don't need to build a product. You don't need to spend hours learning hard software. And you don't need to be good with computers. If you can use your phone, follow simple steps, and give yourself a little time each day, you can learn this too. So stay with me for the next few minutes, because I'm going to walk you through exactly what this is, how it works, and why so many beginners are starting with it. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I'm a stay-at-home mom with 3 boys. When I started an online business, I had no marketing background, no tech skills, and no online audience. I still remember standing at the checkout, looking at my calculator, hoping I had enough money to pay for everything in my basket. That was a hard moment for me. I knew something had to change, so I started searching for ways to make money online. While searching, that's when I came across a simple system that didn't need me to create a product from scratch, become an expert, or know lots of technology. If you've ever felt like it's too late to start something new, you're exactly who I made this video for. Before we get started, I've got something free that I think will really help you. I've put together a simple beginner's blueprint that walks you through how this whole business model works, step by step. If you'd like a copy, just click the link in the description below, and I'll send it straight to your inbox. Now, let me show you how this simple system works and why it may be the easiest place to start. Let me ask you one simple question. Do you need something to sell, or a big following, to make money online? The answer is no. You do not need to have your own product. You do not need thousands of people watching you. What you need is a simple system that helps the right people find something they already want. Many people think they must become an expert first. They think they need a big Facebook page, a YouTube channel with lots of followers, or years of online experience. That is what I believe too. I thought I had to know everything before I could even begin. So I waited. I watched videos. I took notes. I kept saying, maybe next month. But waiting did not change my life. Learning without taking action did not help me make money. It only made me feel more confused. Maybe you feel the same way. Maybe you have been trying to find the right idea, but every new video tells you something different. It can make you feel like giving up before you even start. That is why I want to keep this as simple as I can. But before I show you what finally worked for me, let me tell you what did not. When I first wanted to make money online, I had no clear plan. I downloaded free PDF guides. I watched one YouTube video after another. One person said to do this. Another person said to do something else. Every day, I found a new idea. I thought I was learning, but I was really going around in circles. I spent many months watching videos and taking notes. Some days, I felt busy from morning to night. But at the end of the day, nothing had changed. I was not making money. I was only collecting more information. I tried to follow different free lessons. I would start one method. Before I could finish it, I would see another video saying there was a better way. So I stopped the first one and started again. The same thing kept happening. I was always starting. I was never finishing. The hardest part was the time. As a mom with 3 boys, I did not have hours to waste. Every minute mattered. I wanted something simple that I could fit into my day, not something that made me feel more tired and more confused. Can you relate to that? Maybe you have 10 saved videos to watch. Maybe your phone is full of free PDFs. Maybe you have so much information that you do not know what to do first. That was me. Now, I am not saying those free videos and PDF guides are bad. You really can learn from them. Some people do. But for me, there was no clear path to follow. I was learning a little about everything, but not enough to move forward. It is doable, but it is slow and exhausting. So, what finally worked for me? I found a done-for-you digital program with master resale rights. I know that may sound like a big name, but the idea is really very simple. Let me explain it like this. Years ago, many people bought music on cassette tapes. You bought the tape once, and you could play it again and again. You did not have to buy the same tape every time you wanted to listen to it. This works in a simple way too. You buy the program one time. Inside, you get step-by-step training that teaches you digital marketing and online business skills. You also get the right to sell the same program to other people. When someone buys through you, you keep 100% of the money from that sale. That was very different from anything I had tried before. I was not making a product. I was not packing boxes. I was not waiting for products to be delivered. Everything was already there. My job was to learn the skills, use them, and help other beginners who wanted the same kind of change. I want to share something very personal. When I saw the value of this program, I believed in it so much that I even sold my fridge so I could join. That was not because someone told me to do it. It was my own choice. I believed this could give my family a better future. Looking back, it was one of the best decisions I have ever made. Today, I am thankful I had the courage to take that step. But here is what surprised me the most. It was not just that the program was simple. It was how little I have to manage it day to day. Let me explain what I mean. One thing I really love about this system is that it does not need me to sit on my phone all day. Once everything is set up, many parts of the work happen by themselves. For example, when someone asks for more information, they can enter their email. Then the system sends them helpful emails one by one. I do not have to send each email myself. The system does it for me. That means I can spend time with my family, clean the house, cook dinner, or help my boys with school while the system keeps working. Of course, I still answer questions and help people. I still make videos and learn new skills. But I do not have to do every little job by hand. That saves me a lot of time. I have also seen this work for other people in our community. One community member shared that she was able to spend the day with her family at a water park while her system was still bringing in sales and new leads. That is her story, not mine. But it showed me what is possible when you build a simple system instead of doing everything yourself. The tool I use is called System.io. One thing I like is that you can start for free. The free plan lets you have up to 2,000 email subscribers, which is enough for many beginners to get started. You do not need lots of different tools. You can keep many parts of your business in one place. For me, that made learning much easier. Now let me explain why this made more sense to me than the other ways I had already tried. When I looked at everything I had tried before, this just made more sense to me. Think about it like this. Many people pay around $2,500 or even more for a college course. They spend months learning new skills. At the end, they have knowledge. That knowledge can be very valuable. This program also teaches useful digital marketing skills. But it gives you more than lessons. It gives you a ready-to-use system and the right to sell the program if you choose to. That is why I saw more value in it. Of course, you still have to learn. You still have to take action. No program can do that part for you. But at least you are not starting with a blank page. Another thing I liked was the way it works. Nobody asked me to call strangers. Nobody told me to chase my friends or family. Nobody pushed me to beg people to join my team. That was important to me. I wanted to build something by helping people, not by putting pressure on them. If someone is interested, I share the information. If they are not interested, that is okay too. There is no need to argue or convince anyone. That made the whole business feel much more natural. For me, it was a better fit for my life, my family, and the way I like to help people. It may not be the right choice for everyone, but it was the right choice for me. So here's where that leaves us. So, what is the big lesson from this video? You do not need to create your own product. You do not need a big following. And you do not need to spend all day on your phone. What you do need is a simple system, the right skills, and the courage to take your first step. That is what changed everything for me. If you are ready to learn more, I have a free guide waiting for you. You can get it by clicking the link in the description below. It will help you understand the first steps and avoid mistakes that slow many beginners down. If this video helped you, leave a comment below and type the word START. I would love to hear from you, and I will know you are ready to begin your journey. And if you want to see what other people in our community have been able to do with this simple system, make sure you watch my next video. I will share real community stories and show you what is possible when ordinary people stay consistent and keep learning. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. My friend, I truly believe you are never too old and it is never too late to learn something new. Take one small step today. I will be cheering you on. Until next time, take care and I will see you in the next video.